Hello, Pascale.
Hello, Stephanie.
Pascale, you're manager of English Learning Center, okay?
Yes.
We would like to know why the pupil, why the children, when they come in the center, all the teacher must talk with the children in English, only in English. It's very important?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Why?
Well, because when the children come to a language center, it's to learn that language.
Of course, yeah.
So, you know, when they come in the center, it's like going over a border and in a new country.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're in another country. They're not in Réunion or anywhere else. They are
in English,
in
England.
an English-speaking country.
Yeah.
Now, all the people in that country speak English.
Yes, of course.
So the children, the kids, when they come in, they know it's different. Okay, so they have to speak English. Another reason, Stephanie, is that when the children come into the centers and they know they have to speak English, it encourages them to basically speak English, to not be scared of speaking English.
Yeah, I understand.
You know, they're not shy any longer. They know they can come in, and even if they make mistakes, it's not a problem. It's okay to make mistakes.
Yeah.
But at least they are speaking in English. And if sometimes we heard that, when they hear us speak in French, they can come to us and say, he is not speaking English.
Yes.
Then I say, you're not speaking English.
You must speak in English.
So the kids are not shy to speak. You know, they need to be encouraged, and it starts from the door, inside the center, all in English.